First, let's install Java. I will show you how to do it on Windows and how to check if Java is ready for use. If you don't have Windows but a different system, then you can find installation instructions in the linked website. Downloading and installing Java is easy and free. We divide Java environment into two parts: Java Runtime Environment and Java Development Kit. It's quite possible that you already have the Java Runtime Environment installed, as it may have been required to run some application, but you probably still need to install the second part, JDK, needed to create your own applications. You have to go to oracle.com to download the JDK package. You can find the appropriate link attached to this lesson, or you can just Google Java JDK download. Once you click on Download, a list of all the possible operating system versions will appear. In the old Java, we had the choice between the 32-bit and the 64-bit JDK. As from Java 9, only the 64-bit versions remain supported, so the only thing you need to choose now is your operating system. Remember to accept the license agreement and select your system. Once downloaded, open the installer. You can select the installation folder if you want, or leave the default. I will be back when installation finishes. Java now should be installed if there was no errors. Now we have to modify system environment variables. Press Windows +S buttons on your keyboard and search environment variables, and then choose Edit the system environment variables. Now select environment variables, search for path variable and click Edit. In this window we click on New and we paste the path where JDK was installed. Default will be in C program files, Java, JDK and the Java version number. Remember that bin folder should be at the end of the path. When it's done, click on OK and close all the windows. In order to verify whether the variable is properly configured, open the CMD console and write commands Java and Java. You should have something like this. It is a list of the available parameters that can be added to commands, but you don't need to worry about it for now. You can test one or two parameters and write the commands like Java version and Java version. If you get similar output as me, then everything is good to go. If not, and the commands Java and Javac are still not recognized, look through all the steps once again or just ask a question on this lesson.